Welcome to the October 21st, 2011 edition of Inside Rensselaer, about the people, programs, and events at Rensselaer Polytechnic Institute. DNA and protein sequencing have forever transformed science, medicine, and society. But one major molecule in the biological has remained largely uncharted: carbohydrate biopolymers. Now, for the first time ever, a team of researchers, led by Dr. Robert Linhart, has announced the sequence of a complete complex carbohydrate biopolymer. The surprising discovery provides the scientific and medical communities with an important and fundamental new view of these vital biomolecules, which play a role in everything from cell structure and development to disease pathology and blood clotting. Engineering researchers have developed new nanomaterials that could lead to techniques for better capturing and putting waste heat to work. To create marble-sized pellets of the new material, researchers added minute quantities of aluminum to shape-controlled zinc oxide nanocrystals and heated them in a $40 microwave oven. This new microwave method can produce pellets of nanomaterials that can then be applied to different surfaces. Researchers have developed a new method for creating a layer of gold nanoparticles that measures only billionths of a meter thick. These self-assembling gold coatings, with features measuring less than 10 nanometers, assemble into a unique, uniform pattern called a superlattice and could hold important implications for nanoelectronics manufacturing. The risk of falling increases with age and poses a major threat to the independence of older adults. Scientists at the Lighting Research Center have developed a novel night lighting system that provides visual and spatial cues to promote better postural stability and control, allowing older individuals to better orient themselves to their environment, thereby improving their balance. Nick Viggiani, who has served as Congressman Paul Tonko's Director of District Projects since 2009, has joined Rensselaer as Assistant Vice President for Research. Cary Dresher, formerly Interim Assistant Dean of Students in the Office of the First Year Experience, has been appointed to serve as Associate Dean of the Off-Campus Commons. 4 engineering students spent their summer in Spain researching advanced materials at the Madrid Microelectronics Institute. The 8-week fellowship, funded by the National Science Foundation, offered the students a chance to perform leading-edge research while living, working, and learning in an international, multicultural environment. In August, Rensselaer served as host for the Diffusion Fundamentals IV conference, bringing academics from around the world to the Troy campus to participate in the 4-day event. More than 1,000 students attended the 33rd Annual Career Fair, hosted by Rensselaer's National Society of Black Engineers and Society of Hispanic Professional Engineers. The fair is held each fall, giving students the opportunity to interview for internships, co-ops, and full-time employment. A School of Architecture Design earned a place of honor at the annual conference of the Association for Computer-Aided Design in Architecture. The design of the luminescent LIMAÇON light fixture, which takes its form from a math equation and its subtle glow from a Baroque painting technique, earned one of 3 prizes in the design and fabrication competition. Over the summer, Office of Graduate Education Program Coordinator Michaela Smith 08 was one of 35 university representatives from around the country who joined veteran actor Alan Alda to participate in an innovative conference, the 4-day Communicating Science Summer Institute. The weekend of October 21st is Reunion and Homecoming, Rensselaer's largest alumni tradition. A crowd of more than 3,000 alumni and guests is expected to take part in the festivities and events, which include President Jackson's State of the Institute address, the IBM Watson Challenge, FanFest, and a Portland Taiko Asian American drum performance. And as the leaves turn color and the cool weather of autumn settles, more than 3,000 people are expected to visit campus during the weekend of October 28th to celebrate Family Weekend. Director of Athletics Jim Knowlton has announced the hiring of John Lynch as the head coach of the men's and women's cross-country team. And that's it for this issue of Inside Rensselaer. For these stories and more, go to www.rpi.edu/about/inside. Thanks for listening.